Right, so I've basically cut the hole in the dome now. Not a bad job, considering I was just using a crappy little hacksaw and no electricity. So I mean, it didn't take that long. It was just a bit of a pain to do it that way. But yeah, I managed to do it. So I'm toying with the idea of using this lid with another piece of plastic card on the top of it to make the iStick pivot wheel. So it's basically just put another side on this side, make it completely whole, and it'll be more of a solid piece of plastic. So possibly might use that. I don't know yet. Only because it's handy use, and just because lack of workshop. The other thing is I've drilled the holes for the side dome lights, but I haven't drilled them all the way through yet because I'm still contemplating what kind of fitting I'm going to use. I might use the fitting that's in here. Not sure yet. Still debating about this. I probably will end up using this. I've just been advised by, from what I've read in the manual, that it's best to try and get your light fitting sorted out first before you decide on drilling a hole in the dome, because if your light fittings aren't compatible with the batteries or whatever, you end up with a totally different light fitting. But if you've already drilled a massive hole in your dome, it's going to be very hard to stick a different type of light fitting in there. So I'm still kind of debating whether I'm going to use this, because it's very big and chunky, and it's going to make a big hole in the side of the dome, which means that if later on I want to convert it into something that's not a movie Dalek, it's going to be a bit more harder to, it's going to have a big hole in it basically. Most other Daleks have smaller dome lights, so that's a bit of a problem if later on down the road, if I decide to change. I may not even change the design. I may just keep it as a movie Dalek hybrid with the dome lights. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I'm still debating. I mean, I'm pretty certain I'm going to end up with this kind of look. Because I've already got the other parts, got the base and all the rest of it. I'm pretty sure I will. So yeah, I just got to decide what to do, really. It's just lack of materials, which is a bit frustrating. Lack of fittings and so on and so forth. But yeah, I'll just have to figure it out, I guess, and just hope for the best, I guess.